Hi, today I'm going to talk about a comma after an introductory adverb clause. It's a lot like our last lesson, prepositional phrase, but I think it's a little bit easier. So, because this rule has the word introductory, that means we're going to be looking at the first word of the sentence to figure it out. So, you use a comma. There's going to be a comma that comes after an introductory adverb clause. We're going to bracket our adverb clauses. The first word of the sentence must be a subordinate conjunction. We're going to circle these and label them SC for short, subordinate conjunction. On your packet, you have a list of common subordinate conjunctions. Why don't you take a look at that? After, although, as if, as long as though, because, before, even if, even though, if only, in order that, now that, once, rather than, so that, than, that, though, until, unless, till, when, whenever, where, whereas, wherever, and while. Now, you'll notice that 4 of these words are also on the prepositional list from yesterday. They are after, for, since, and until. I want you to highlight those. Okay, so you need a subject and a verb after the comma. And as always, we're going to identify our subject with 1 line and our verb with 2. So let's take a look at the example sentence and I'll show you how you can label it and figure it out. Once the game started, the crowd roared with excitement. Do you see a subordinate conjunction in that sentence that's on our list? Yes. Once. Circle it and put SC. Then you're going to put a bracket in front of it. We're going to bracket the clause. It's kind of where you take the pause. So once what? The game started. So our end bracket is going to be right here. Now we're going to look at the words inside of the brackets. The game started. Is there a verb? Yes, started. What started? Game. Okay, so you need to have a verb inside of an adverb clause right here. This is important. The crowd roared with excitement is what's left. What's the verb? Roared. The subject is crowd. Okay, so since it's starting the sentence, it's an introductory adverb clause. Put the comma at the end of the bracket. Okay, that didn't seem so bad. Let's look at this one. Whenever I take a quiz, I feel sick to my stomach. Do you see a subordinate conjunction or an SC word? Yes, whenever. And it's at the start of your sentence. Whenever what? I take a quiz. Good. Now inside of the brackets, whenever I take a quiz, what's the verb? Take. Who takes? I take. Now let's look at the other stuff. I feel sick to my stomach. What's the verb? Feel. Who feels? I feel. And so you put the comma right here. All right. Remember how I had you highlight those 4 words after, before, since, and until? These words can either function as an introductory adverb clause or an introductory prepositional phrase. Let's see if we can figure out which. After the big game, I took a nap. After the students left the game, I took a nap. They seem really similar. Now, you can tell an introductory adverb clause if there is a verb, like I said earlier, before the comma. Which one of these has a verb before the comma? Let's take a look. After the big game, I took a nap. Okay. Then after the students left the game, I took a nap. I'm going to start with the bottom. After. I think it's SC. Put a bracket here. Left the game. Now I'm going to double check. Is there a verb inside of here? Yes, left. Who left? The students. I took. So it has a verb. So this one is going to be an adverb clause. Now this one. If I started to label, I would circle, put a bracket after the big game, and then I would look on the inside, and I wouldn't be able to find a verb. So that's the benefit of looking for a verb. Because there's no verb, I know this switches. Now, I'm going to make this into parentheses, how we do it in prepositional phrases. I'm going to label this OP, and I'm going to label games, the OP, the object of the preposition. So this is the prep phrase, this is the adverb. I hope that helped.